supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
I'm currently cooking paella that I can't blooming cook, cause typical Sue, she's got a right-handed oven glove. And guess what, guys? I'm right-handed, so I can't use the oven glove safely. Typical women. No offence to women, but still kind of annoying, and I was really wanting to cook it myself, but that's good to see for you. So far I've attempted paella, the Jones family paella. Yeah, it's gone a bit arse over it really, ping tong. First off, the bowl's not really big enough for the liquid, so keep spilling it on floor. Mum's just set fire to another blooming oven glove. Typical. But yeah, it looks semi-nice, hopefully.
Looks right. No,
next time I do it again, do it inside on the gas hob. And before I do it, buy a left-handed oven glove.
Can you get them off when you're done?
But we are, of course, cooking with a view.
you burned your fingers a minute. Still going, I can see it.
You can see flames.
Absolute beautiful day, guys. Okay, guys, so it's done. First ever Jones family paella. Never really had paella, so I have no clue if it is meant to look like that.
It's meant to look like that.
Is it?
Yep.
Looks like a pie. Maybe that's why I call it paella.
Oh, yeah.
So, if you don't see any films from the Jones family within the next few days, weeks even, it will probably be because me and Mother had poisoned us all. But, yeah, first attempt, it don't actually look too bad. I'll let you know what I think of it on the taste test. Okay, guys. So, first attempt at a Valencian Paella. And well, I can actually say, I think I bloody like it. Looks delicious, that, guys. Wonder what Mike thinks. Jesus, I nearly just got stabbed in the crown jewels by Scooter Sue. What do you think, Mike?
And the rice, let's just try the rice.
There's the rice,
That's going to be
guys.
where all the flavour is.
Sorry, this is hand filmed. I'm just doing a couple clips because it is quite noisy out here today. What's your opinion,
Yeah, very tasty. Very good.
Sue? Valencian Paella? Would you have it again or not?
Yeah, that's nice.
We got no choice.
Nice is nice.
Okay, guys, so that's our first attempt at Valencian Paella. I didn't really cook it, so to speak, because of course we've only got white-handed oven gloves. But I think I will have another attempt in the near future, maybe. So yeah, let's see how that works, guys. Thanks for watching.